Hi, I'm Chef Fabio, Ariston Culinary Ambassador. Today I will show you guys how to prepare a beef croquette. For the beef croquette, I use the Ariston latest 6-in-1 tabletop combination microwave oven. Normally people use the microwave to reheat the food, but with the 6-in-1 you can bake cake, roast meat, steam vegetable, cook pizza, and even fry potatoes, and in this case fry my croquette. This is an easy recipe and is a great snack. It's perfect for any gathering or get together. Everybody loves this. When you buy the minced beef for the snack, try to use not too lean. Try to use some minced beef with some fat. It's very important to the taste and make your snack not too dry. The secret of the perfect fry results is the dual clips fry function. The fry function is possible because the microwave heats up the plate very fast, until 210 degrees in 2 minutes. Before it was just possible to have the best and crunch fried food results using the deep fry. But now, with the Ariston, we can have the same results and the best parts and healthy parts. You don't need to add any oil. This tabletop oven is very simple to use. It's small, you don't need to build in, and it's the best choice for any occasion.